everybody, this is the Ridge Outdoors. Today I'm going to be making a sheath for a knife that I've been wanting to for a while. We're all still quarantined in here, so might as well make good use of our time. This is the Bush one by Jeff White. I got this from Self-Reliance Outfitters. It's a really lightweight knife. It has a 90-degree spine, so you should be able to do some feather sticks and ignite a ferro rod with it. It's handmade and it's only about $40. So for how lightweight it is and then for the price, I really like it. Ideally it probably would be a little heavier, but I'm excited to get out and test this. Want to make a leather sheath for it. Getting started in leather work, I recommend just doing a lot of research before you get into it. You really don't need to buy hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of stuff to get started. I bought this, The Art of Hand Leather Sewing by Al Stolman, and it just gives you the basics. It shows you how to stitch things, so I highly recommend that book. And recently I got Making Leather Knife Sheaths Volume 1, and it just has a couple patterns in there and how to do it. You can really look up YouTube, a bunch of videos of everything that's covered in both these books, but I kind of like having books to fall back on. So kind of depends on what you want to do with that, but I highly recommend both these books. And then just getting started, you really don't need a Leatherman's vise, but for $15 or $20 at Tandy Leather, you can get one of these, and it does come in handy. I'll definitely be using that. And your basic punches and everything you're going to see in the next couple minutes when I get set up and actually start sewing. So let's take a look at what we got here. So, once again, it's not perfect, but this is the first time I've done any leather work in a few months. The last thing I did was a guitar strap, and then before that, it had been a long time, almost probably 8 or 9 months. And I made some like coffee cup, like the cardboard sleeves. I made those out of leather for some gifts. But as long as you're making something, practicing a little bit. If I was making this for somebody, I would definitely take a little bit more time and make sure I do it right. But this was just kind of an impromptu thing that I wanted to make for myself anyway. Look forward to the next video, or one of the next videos. I ordered a parts kit, so I'm only going to be building the lower receiver. The upper receiver came as one piece, but as I upgrade eventually, or build another one, I'll definitely want to build my upper piece by piece so I get a really good barrel and get everything exactly like I want on there. So look forward to that in the future. And if you have any comments, you can grill me for this kind of half-assed holster. That's fine. I just kind of threw it together. But if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, anything that could help me organize myself a little better when I'm actually going to design stuff, I should probably design it on paper and do like a test run with that. But throw it down in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching, everybody.